गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. बँड थिअरी आपण पाहत होतो. बँड, we will see the now types of bands. So today we will see the types of bands. There are the two types of bands. One is the conduction band and the second one, that is the valence band. Valence band. The two types of bands, conduction band and the valence band. We'll see both one by one. The first one, that is the conduction band. तर पहिला पाहूत आपण सर्वात आधी conduction band. Now the conduction bands are the higher energy bands. The bands with higher energy. Containing the electrons. They contains the electrons. Containing electrons are called as conduction band. See, what is conduction band? The band have the higher energy. These bands have the higher energy containing electron. They contains the electrons. Types of bands is going on. Now the conduction bands are formed by, it is formed by the interaction of outermost or outer energy levels. Outer energy levels of atoms of solid. Outer energy level, बाहेरचे एनर्जी लेवल, काल आपण पाहिलं होतं एनर्जी लेवल्स ॲटम मध्ये असतात. एनर्जी लेवल्स ऑफ कोणाचे? ॲटम्सचे. इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द इंटरॅक्शन ऑफ आउटर एनर्जी लेवल्स. ओके, नाउ first point, that is what is conduction band? Have the higher energy containing the electron are called as what? Conduction band. It is formed by the interaction of outer energy levels. Okay, now the conduction bands are what? Energy levels. जे energy levels असतात, एनर्जी लेवल ॲटमची त्यांच्या इंटरॅक्शन मुळे होते. त्यांच्या कशामुळे घडतात? ते इंटरॅक्शन मुळे. ओके, द कंडक्शन बँड्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यांच्यामध्ये पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड असतात और व्हॅकंट. द कंडक्शन बँड्स आर पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड or vacant. As I told you that electrons are present. यांच्यामध्ये काय असतात? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कंडक्शन बँड्स मध्ये काय असतात? तर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स प्रेझेंट असतात. इन कंडक्शन बँड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेझेंट, सो दे आर पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड. म्हणून ते कसे ऑक्युपाइड असतात? पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड. दे आर पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड or vacant. And these electrons are now mobile or free to move. The electrons are free to move or they are mobile. Means the electron can be moved freely. In which bands? Conduction bands. In conduction bands, electrons are free to move. Electron can be moved freely in the conduction bands. Okay, now the next point, these bands are higher energy. They have the higher energy and they are the interaction of energy levels, and electrons in these bands, conduction bands, the electrons are free to move or these electrons are mobile electrons. Similarly, the second type, that is the valence band. Second type we will see, this is the called as valence band. Now in valence band means what? They have the higher energy and they have the lower energy. They have lower energy than that of what? Conduction band. Than that of what? Conduction band. And valence band have the lower energy. Valence band ला काय असते? Lower energy असते than the conduction band. And the electrons are free to move in conduction band. In conduction band electron काय होते? Free to move. But in valence band electrons are not free to move. Electrons are not what? Free to move. इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्ह होत नाही. यांच्यामध्ये काय होतात? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंडक्शन बँड मध्ये फ्री टू मूव्ह. दे आर पार्टली ऑक्युपाइड or vacant. They may be vacant. Conduction band may be vacant. But the valence band are the lower energy. They have the lower energy. And now the third point we will see, that is the band gap. What is the band gap? Okay. Now what is the band gap? Band gap is the energy difference between This is the energy difference, band gap. Band gap is nothing but the energy difference. Okay, between the energy difference between the lower energy, that is the valence band, to conduction band. Energy difference between valence band to conduction band. Conduction band is called as band gap. It's called as what? Band gap. How it is this? Suppose these are the two bands. Okay, this is one band and this is another band. High valence band. Okay. And high conduction band, CB, and now this is VB. If the energy difference, this is the energy difference. Okay, energy difference. If the energy difference between the two bands, if this energy difference is too large, this energy difference is what? Too large to promote electron from valence band to conduction band. We promote the electrons from what? From valence band to conduction band. We are promoting the electrons from valence band to conduction band. If the energy difference is too large, then it is called as forbidden. It is called as forbidden zone. It is called as forbidden zone. जर एनर्जी डिफरन्स दोन बँड मध्ये कमी असेल या जास्त असेल, एनर्जी डिफरन्स इज टू लार्ज, एनर्जी डिफरन्स खूप जास्त असेल, टू लार्ज असेल, तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द forbidden zone. It is called as forbidden zone. Okay, so in this way these are the two types of bands, conduction band and second one, that is the valence band. What is valence band? This is valence band having the lower energy. It has the lower energy. What is conduction band? Have the higher energy. Conduction band have the higher energy. These are the conduction bands. This is the conduction band, have the higher energy, and valence band, these have the lower energy. And the energy difference is called as, this energy difference is nothing but is called as band gap. It is called as the band gap. So this is about the types of bands. There are the two types of bands. Which are those two types of bands? One is the valence band and the another one is the conduction band. Conduction band, valence band. These are the two types of bands. Okay.